My name is Alex Goldbach. I'm a contracting officer's representative for the Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District. We are here at the South Breakwater in Buffalo. There's snow on the ground, and we have a contractor coming to repair about 300 linear feet of the breakwater wall. So year over year, the Buffalo Harbor handles over 1 million tons of cargo. In 2022, it was estimated that there was $43 million of revenue supported by the Buffalo Harbor, and this breakwater is essential in protecting that. Back in 2022 and 2023, the hard winters of Lake Erie came in and sort of destroyed a big portion of the breakwater there. So we have the contractor coming. They are working from now through December to try and get this breakwater repaired. Contractor gets stone shipped to the Buffalo Harbor. They use a scow supported by a crane barge to lug it back and forth out to the breakwater. The floating crane essentially takes the stones from the barge and places it into the breakwater. The breakwater consists of several different layers. We have a bedding stone, which is usually underwater, that supports the breakwater. There's then an underlayer stone, which gets a little bit bigger, and then on top of that, the part that you actually see is the armor stone. The weather plays a huge role in this project, not only because it's the main reason that the breakwater gets destroyed and needs to be rebuilt, but it's also because the contractor can only work in certain conditions. It greatly narrows down the actual time that they have to work and can make it extremely difficult, especially once we enter the winter months.